Searching for that perfect Linux distro? Powerful for pros, welcoming for Windows users? Hey everyone, today we're diving into AnduinOS. By the end, you might just find your new daily driver. AnduinOS aims for a seamless, intuitive Linux experience. It feels polished and ready to go from the first boot. Installation is incredibly straightforward. No cryptic commands, just simple clicks. The UI, using customized KDE Plasma, is optimized for productivity and aesthetics. Everything's responsive, animations are fluid. It comes with a solid set of pre-installed apps. Their software center makes finding more incredibly easy. Performance is also great, surprisingly lightweight even with its polished look. Ideal for various hardware. AnduinOS stands out with thoughtful features like it is user-friendly, beautiful, great software, strong performance. These truly streamline your workflow. AnduinOS is perfect for Linux veterans seeking something fresh, and Windows users wanting an incredibly welcoming transition. Give it a try. The ISO is free, even in a VM. Drop a comment below. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.